I am going to teach today biology class. What is the class?
Biology class.
What is the lesson name? What is the name of the lesson? Here I am going to give one question. What is that question in Kerala? What do you mean by? What do you mean by? What do you mean by? Write down. What do you mean by? Hunger fans. Hunger fans. If you know, write it down in your book. If you know the answer, write it down in your book. Otherwise, I will tell the answer. Hunger pangs answer. Hunger pangs are contractions in the stomach due to in the stomach hunger generates signals to the brain from the stomach where ghrelin hormone is where ghrelin hormone is secreted. The ghrelin hormone is produced from the cells of the don't diagnose from the cells of the stomach. The more the ghrelin hormone, the more the hunger. Write a short note on. Peristalsis. Tell me spelling. Peristalsis. Sit right up. Peristalsis and sphincters. What is peristalsis? The contraction of answer. The contraction of muscles in at the back of the foot. And the relaxation of longitudinal muscles which which results in trust. Which results in trust. Trust. That moves the food from mouth to stomach. Next one is